Jai Sriman Narayana. 37th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kama yeshaha, krodha yeshaha, rajoguna, samudbhavaha, mahaseno, mahapapma, vidyenam, ihavairinam. Om. Desire and anger is the man's greatest enemy, by which you will commit sin and you will compromise with higher values. You will be finally landed in terrible suffering. So make every effort to get rid of desire and anger. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that you all please repeat these words also, these sentences also. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall make every of my effort to get rid of desire and anger. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, after Sita Devi entered into earth, Sri Ramachandra Swami, though he is supreme, he could not bear that grief. Thus, he proved that attachment with a woman can cause any kind of dreadful grief. He proved to entire universe. After that, while suffering from that grief, tataha urdhvam brahmacharyam dharayan ajuhot. While he is observing brahmacharyam, he ruled the kingdom for 13,000 years and he did Agnihotram. After that, Swapada Pallavam Rama Atmajyotiragaat Tataha. He reached his own abode, Sri Vaikuntham. He put the print of his divine feet, the feet which has suffered in the forest for long time. He put the print of his such divine feet in his devotees' hearts forever, and then he went back to his divine abode. Sakshat Sriman came down as Sri Ramachandra Swami just for human sake, in order to lead the human life in a righteous path. And he went through so many troubles, and he observed dharmam, that Sri Ramachandra Swami is the divine help for the entire humanity would be never ever forgotten by this human race. And that Ramachandra Swami actually did not need any help of the monkeys. Such powerful Ramachandra Swami, just for the namesake, he took the help from monkeys. And whoever remembers Sri Ramachandra Swami's story, whoever remembers Ramachandra Swami, whoever try to follow Ramachandra Swami's path, irrespective of their eligibilities, irrespective of their race, they will definitely attain Sri Vaikuntha Dhamam, the divine abode. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 37th sloka. Kama yesha krodha yeshaha rajo gunasamudbhavaha mahaseno mahapapma vidyena miha vairinam. Kama yesha krodha yeshaha rajo gunasamudbhavaha mahaseno mahapapma vidyena miha vairinam. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.